The second law says if the base values are the same and we divide two values with one another, then we can subtract exponents. So for example, if I have x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 2, it will be the same as saying x to the power of 6 minus 2, and that simplifies to x to the power of 4. Another example would be if I have p to the power of 10, q to the power of 7, divided by p to the power of 4, q to the power of 2. Now, in order to apply the law of exponents here, we would say this is p to the power of 10 minus 4 times q to the power of 7 minus 2. And that simplifies to p to the power of 6 times q to the power of 5. The third law of exponents is that if I have something raised to the power, and I have that in brackets, and I raise the bracket to another power, then I can multiply the exponents together. So let's say we have x squared raised to the power of 3. And this will be the same as saying x to the power of 2 times 3, which becomes x to the power of 6.